Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video, I'm going to make Arkansas style beef jerky. This is the fourth video out of the series 50 states inspired beef jerky recipes. First off, over here to the side, we've got 2 pounds of stir-fry sliced beef from Walmart. It's going to dehydrate really fast to make a really nice beef jerky. In this recipe, we're going to start off with a 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of what's this here sauce, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, tablespoon of granulated garlic, not garlic salt. It'll be too much salt. And too much salt is too much salt. So that was a tablespoon of garlic, and this is a tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, please don't splash, 1/4 cup of honey, that's about right there's about a 1/4 cup probably. 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. This is a hickory liquid smoke. Now for the star of the show, tapped maple syrup. The reason why I picked maple syrup as the star of this recipe is because I saw on TV a documentary about some people there in Arkansas. They were making their own maple syrup from silverleaf maple trees out of their backyard. This is a lot of marinade. I like to use a food processor or something like this as I'm making my marinades. Look at all those different layers of ingredients. Get the honey mixed up really well. Got a vacuum marinade tumbler. We're going to throw our meat in there. If you don't have a vacuum marinade tumbler, all you need to do is put this in a Ziploc bag or in a plastic container for 4 to 24 hours, somewhere in there. Overnight will do. 4 hours will do just great. We'll get our marinade thrown in there. Let's see what she smells like. Ah, smells, wow, that smells really smoky. Oh, it's got that maple smell to it. Oh yes, this is gonna be so good, so good, so good. I love this vacuum marinade tumbler. It pulls so much of that marinade up into this meat. That's what's gonna make this so good. We're gonna do an initial shake, get it all mixed up in there good. Turn this on for 15 minutes. During that time, I'm gonna wash all my dishes. Oh, that smells nice. Nice, nice. In this video, we're gonna be using the Nesco FD80 dehydrator. My favorite dehydrator so far. Check it out. You see these ones that's kind of fatty here?
One moment.
Siri,
Still
stop.
working.
Siri, stop.
Something went wrong. Please try again.
Siri, stop. My goodness. This is the last of it right here. Got the Nesco dehydrator going at 160 degrees here. So we've got it done. Arkansas style maple honey beef jerky recipe. Look at this. Just look at it. Let's try one of these. We're going to get one. Let you take a look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Tomorrow morning, this stuff is going to be so tender. It's always better the next morning. Tastes like candy. Tastes like maple glazed candy with a bit of spice, a little bit of heat. Wow. I love small batch beef jerky. You get to try so many different flavors. 50 state inspired beef jerky recipes. This is number 4 of 50. Small batch beef jerky, 1 batch at a time. Hope y'all try this recipe. If you do, let me know in the comment section down below. Y'all have a good one now, and you come back. Yeah.